Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another hashtag to Crafters One Design, as well as Saturday morning makes. And so, anyways, this week Gloria and I are doing something similar. We've been kind of busy lately, so we haven't really collaborated designing together, but we're still bringing you something. So it's going to be something similar, which we are doing Christmas in July. So that's what you'll see from both of us, something we've made pertaining to Christmas. All right, so let me jump right in. So as you see this little cutie right here, I thought it turned out so cute. These were dies I recently picked up from Whimsy Stamps, and I'll show you those in a second. All right, so let me show you what I used to create this cute little card. So I am using this die from Coco Rosa. And I'm using this little star here from, not star, but snowflake from Creative Expressions. And there it goes on the back. Okay, let me show you this cute little stamp set that I am using right here. And I am using this little guy right there, as well as Winter Wonderland from this set here. So that's what I used to create that little cutie there. All right, up next, we will be showing you, which one? I'm gonna show you this one. This one's probably my favorite, and you'll see that on my my thumbnail there. I thought this one turned out so cute. All right, let me show you the inside of that, just plain. All right, and then this is what I'm using here, Cottage Cuts, as well as this little die here from CC Designs. And I am using this little cutie right here. I thought that was just so cute. I colored all of the stamps up already. But anyways, let's just take a closer look. I did put on some enameled hearts there as well. And then you see this die. Oh, I didn't show that die actually. This die here is from Cottage Cuts as well. And then the insides of my cards, I believe I used the Infinity dies from Hero Arts for all the insides. I'm not definite, but I think so. And then, yeah, so that's really cute. I did add a little bit of Winka Stella, but I don't think you can tell on there. But I did add a little bit of Winka Stella, and there goes that. All right, and then up next, I am using, for my last card, it's Whimsy Stamps, and I'm using this little guy right here, super cute. And I colored him like they had him on the website. So there goes that card here. Let me just kind of open that there. Anyway, so I did add some stickles, and you can probably see the stickles. And I added on the flower, but you probably can't hardly tell it, but I did add some of the sparkle pin on there. There goes the Let It Snow. Thought that turned out really cute, and I'll show you where I got the rest of these dies. I did add some of the stickles down here just to kind of imitate the snow there. And there goes the inside. All right, let me just set that right there. Okay, let me show you what I used to create that little guy there. So I used this snowflake embossing folder. I guess that's the name of it. Snow Flurries. It's called Snow Flurries, and it's from Sizzix. All right, and then I used this little die right here, and I'm not for sure if that's Paper Smooches or Avriel. It's one of those. So I used that. And that Let It Snow, which is the reason why I bought this die from Spellbinders on that sale. I got it from Spellbinders there. And the tag came from Honeybee Stamps. And like I said, the inside of my die is from the Infinity Hero Arts die. And I believe that's it. So this is where I use that little Avery Ale die, or Paper Smooches. Oops, I got something on there. There we go. It's out of there. Anyways, that's where I use that right there. But I thought all three of the cards turned out so cute. And I will have the ladies' links down below. So make sure you head over to Gloria's channel, as well as Jill Norwood's channel. Use the hashtags if you'd like to check out the other people and see what they've made. for Saturday morning makes. And that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.